Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into our video today. My name is Nikita Angien and I'm a Solutions Delivery Specialist here at Emma International. We'll be covering some of Regulatory 101 steps that you need to consider before getting your product out in the market. So I have 4 important steps for you to consider before you plan on bringing your product out to the market. So let's look at step 1, which is ensuring that you have all of your user requirements, which are sometimes also called design inputs, are appropriately covered, and ensures that whatever users or market that you're targeting has all of their requirements captured into one place. This will ensure that you give a specific boundary to your product and you don't have your product ideas flowing all over the place. Step 2 would then be to properly classify your product within the FDA regulations. That will give you an understanding of what testings will be required, also will help you a lot in determining your budget, because that will let you know what type of clinical testing will be required, any type of predicate analysis that you can do, also any preclinical testing or any big budgetary fragments that you need to consider. Step number 3 would then be to allocate or determine which specific pre-market submission you need to go for. And that will depend a lot on your step 2, which is your classification of the product. Once you determine which type of submission you want to make, you ensure that you are doing all of your performance testing, your bench testing, any clinical investigations required as per FDA recognized consensus standards, or any of your guidance documents that are available that are specific to your product, as well as any internationally recognized standards if you would want your product to have a far outreach in the future and if that's within the horizon of the company. And the last and the 4th step would be to ensure that you have a robust pre-market post-market surveillance planning in place. What that would ensure is you have a complete circle coming back into your pre-market activities once your product is out in the market. So whether that's monitoring your real-world performance data and ensuring that your product goes through continuous improvement processes while taking into consideration the users' data while the product is out in the market, as well as ensuring that your complaints and your adverse events are getting tracked appropriately, and feeding it into your design inputs when working on a new model or a new version of the same device. So here are those quick 4 steps to keep in mind before bringing your product out into the market. For more information on what regulatory help Emma can provide you with, as well as some more information on what the regulatory landscape for your product may look like, do visit our website, as well as follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram for more things related to quality and regulatory compliance. Thank you. Bye-bye.